Hindi inaalis ni Ombudsman Crispin Boying Remulla ang posibilidad ng koneksyon ni dating House Speaker Martin Romualdez sa nangyayaring anomalya sa flood control projects. Paliwanag ni Ombudsman Remulla, may pananagutan umano si late 1st District Representative Romualdez sa pagkakatalaga ni dating House Appropriations Chair, resign na Bicol Party List Representative Zaldico.
When we look at the Zaldico cases, and the whole pattern that happened, it was really Zaldico working with some senators that came up with a final version of the budget. And the plan was laid out there. If fingers do not point to the speaker, former speaker, as the leader of the House, he was responsible for the appointment of Zaldico.
Ayon pa kay Ombudsman Remulla, kahit inihalal si former Congressman Ko, hindi maitatanggi na may papel umano rito ang dating House Speaker. Isa sa tinitingnan nilang legal na batayan ay ang gross inexcusable negligence o kapabayaan ng dating leader ng Kamara.
Although Zaldico was elected on the floor, everybody knows that it was the Speaker's choice. That's why we have to hold him accountable for that. It's a novel theory. I know we're crossing the boundary of normal legal theory, but we have to stretch it a bit. Kasi nga, the whole government machinery and the Filipino people suffered damages due to the acts of Zaldico.
Samantala, nagpapatuloy na rin ang investigasyon ng Ombudsman kaugnay naman ng posibleng pagkakasangkot sa anomalya ni dating Senate President Francis Chis Escudero.
You're the leader of one house, and the other house is led by Senator Chis Escudero as Senate President. And they were able to come up with that budget which included insertions and which included diversions of money from what was supposed to be to what became. So that is, if it's not criminal, then it must be negligence. It must be one of them. It cannot be completely, nobody can be completely blameless for that.
Ayon kay Remulla, nadiskubre ng Office of the Ombudsman ang sinasabing galaw ng pera papunta kay Senator Escudero sa investigasyon ng maanomalyang flood control projects.
Ongoing, we have statements leading of a money trail leading to him, narrations of fact that are there already. But of course, we want to buttress it with other evidence, which we're looking to right now. Ano nga eh? Pag wala ka makitang AMLA trail, then you have to follow a cash trail, and we will find it.
Inaasahang sa susunod na linggo ay makakapagsampa na ang Office of the Ombudsman ng mga kaukulang kaso sa Sandigan Bayan para sa mga personalidad na sangkot sa flood control projects anomaly. Jedne Resina, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.